Hi there. What are the 5 free affiliate marketing techniques you can use to activate affiliate marketing? That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. 5 free techniques you can use to activate affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially modern time salesmanship. You assisting companies out there to sell their products or services, and you end up partaking in the share of revenues, partaking in the share of the fees they are getting, or even so partaking in the share of the gains they are making. Guys, gone are the days where individuals out there used to do one-to-one salesmanship. With the advent of the internet, it only means that you can also assist companies out there sell their products, sell their services, and partake in sharing the revenues they are getting, more so if they have these particular affiliate programs. And of course, we have hundreds of companies out there which have very legit affiliate marketing programs. In fact, we have individuals out there who are making tens of thousands of dollars. Others are making hundreds of thousands of dollars each and every year just from affiliate commissions. And some of these companies are, for example, Amazon, who have an affiliate or associates programs out there. We have even big motor companies out there, for example, Tesla, which has an affiliate program out there. We have even those online booking platforms out there, for example, Booking.com, who have an affiliate program, you name it. We have hundreds of legit companies out there which have affiliate program. You might be sitting there wondering, yes, we have all these affiliate programs. How exactly can you go about activating any of them and you being able to make money? More so, make good amount of money from this particular affiliate marketing technique you're going to be evoking, or even the affiliate marketing campaign you're going to be running, is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afanza Sifunam. These are the 5 best ways you can go about activating free affiliate marketing out there. The first way is you reviewing a given site, reviewing a given product out there, and even so pitching it versus the competition. What do I mean? I'm assuming you are a content creator out there. Whether you do videos or even do blogs out there, you can use whichever method out there to do this. To give you an example, maybe there is a given camera which is new to the market, okay? My channel might be about technology. I may spend time to review this particular camera. The end goal is, of course, I'm sharing insights around how this camera is performing, how efficient it is, what are the pros, what are the cons, and so forth. And in the course of that particular video, I'm going to have a call to action, which in essence is, I'm going to put it like a, by the way, I'm not really forcing you. I'm just saying, in case you want to purchase this particular camera, you can purchase through the link down below. You see what I've done there? I've actually, first of all, given you value by reviewing this particular product. And then I've told you, if you want to purchase through the link down below. Maybe it's because it has a discount, or even so, just because you can do that. And be rest assured, once people watch this particular video of yours, a small percentage of them will want to know further any information related to this particular camera. And even so, a smaller percentage, maybe even 0.5%, 1%, might go ahead and purchase this particular product. And by the way, I'm giving you an example of a camera, and this could be applicable in whichever area out there. It could be cryptocurrency, it could be stock market, you name it. Starting with a simple review is gonna go a long way towards assisting you pinpoint your audience towards that particular affiliate link or that particular affiliate program you want them to assist you get money through, by you getting a commission, whether it is them leading to a particular platform or even so them being able to purchase a given product. And then the second way you can activate affiliate marketing and affiliate commission is you providing a detailed tutorial on a given platform which has affiliate program. Let me give you an example. In the cryptocurrency space, for example, we have a particular trading platform out there called KuCoin. KuCoin has a very formidable affiliate program out there through which you can get a percentage commission from fees and transactions which people are going to make in the future, just beyond the initial sign up. Guys, if you do, for example, a full tutorial on how to use KuCoin, be rest assured there are some people out there, whether traders or even cryptocurrency enthusiasts, who want to have a deeper understanding of KuCoin, for them to be able to use it for trading, or even for them to be able to know how the markets work. And be rest assured there is a good proportion of these who are actually looking to invest money in cryptocurrency. What if you assist them have a deeper understanding of that particular platform, right? Once you do that, also you can tell them, for example, down below in the comment section, down below in the description box, or even so, just in your website, you can have an affiliate link to where they can be able to access KuCoin, and even so, go ahead to use it, go ahead to start trading using this particular platform. Once you do that also, that is a clever way of you actually getting this particular target audience to whichever site you want out there, and then you're gonna be able to make money through affiliate marketing. And then the third way you can be able to activate affiliate commissions is by you using a ranking methodology or comparison methodology. What do I mean? Let me give you just a random example. You could, for example, say, is Dogecoin better than maybe a given cryptocurrency, assuming either of these cryptocurrencies have an affiliate program. And by that, I'm just giving you an example. It could be even a website out there. For example, I can say, is this particular kind of travel or tourism agency website out there better than maybe Booking.com? You know, I can't say that knowing very well Booking.com has an affiliate program. And by pitching these two versus the other one, of course, the product whereby you want the people to go to, you need to ensure it has a better or favorable ranking or analysis in that particular video. And by the way, I'm not saying you need to lie. It needs to be accurate because people are going to appreciate you for giving them accurate information. But also, you want to pitch it in good light because you understand through this particular comparison, you are making very genuine observations, you are making informed insights which people can be able to consume out there. And beyond that, you can also have a call to action through which you can pinpoint these particular people who are watching your video to go and see the offerings on this particular website out there, which of course is an affiliate link through which you can be able to make awesome amount of money out there too. And then the fourth way is actually you sharing out there how to start, you know, how to begin kind of videos, or even how to begin kind of blogs out there. I know this is looking like a subset of tutorials, but it's essentially you targeting the very, very beginners in whichever field out there. And I'm saying so because there are those kind of programs out there, those kind of products out there, whereby people are looking to get insights with regards to how to use, how to start, how to begin. Why not pitch this to them? And of course, as always, in those particular comment section down below, in the description, or even so, just in the text which you're pitching for them, you can have a backlink which pinpoints to other particular affiliate link. And by the way, people are gonna appreciate you because you won't really be forcing links on them, but you're gonna be giving them value first, and then the links come secondary. You're gonna be giving them value first, and then affiliate links are down in the comment section down below, down in the description. Of course, you need to be clever, also have a call to action so that they know once they've already known how to use this particular product, if they want to go ahead and use it, they can access it through the link in the description box down below. People are going to really appreciate this, and even so, some or a small percentage of this is going to go ahead and actually turn that to a conversion or a sales. And then the fifth way which you can go about activating these particular affiliate commissions out there through affiliate links is by you just blindly posting affiliate links out there. And I'm saying blindly because you are posting affiliate links which aren't really related per se to your content. For example, I'm right now making content on personal finance, making content on e-commerce, and so forth. I could, for example, down below in the comment section, or even down below in the description, put a link about the camera I'm using. Put a link, for example, about the microphone I'm using, and so forth. This isn't directly related to the content I'm sharing with you, but I can have it there too because yes, I can. And be rest assured, if I have a good following out there, people who are constantly watching my content, maybe a small percentage out there are gonna be able to click on this description and then even access these affiliate links. Of course, the conversion rate for this is quite low compared to the previous techniques I've talked about, but it could be an option for you, more so if you're not making content around, for example, reviewing of products, for example, tutorials, and so forth. This could be an option for you to be able to make affiliate commissions out there through different affiliate programs. What do you think about this particular free methods, free techniques I've shared with you on how you can be able to activate free affiliate marketing out there and even so build a formidable business? What do you think about this? Share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing there. Cheers guys, I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye and you all take care.